Hey everyone, welcome back to Joliet English Stories. I'm excited to have you here. If you're new, make sure to subscribe and click the notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos. Let's have some fun together. Now let's get started. Juliet Dreamland. Once upon a sunny day in a joyful town called Dreamland, there lived a cheerful girl named Joliet. Joliet loved to imagine wonderful things, like soaring through the sky with birds or having conversations with magical creatures. In Dreamland, all your dreams could come true. One bright day, Joliet stumbled upon a special door in Dreamland. To her surprise, upon opening it, her old friend, the Dream Guardian, appeared. The Dream Guardian shared, "This door leads to Dream World, where you can bring your dreams to life." Overflowing with excitement, Joliet stepped through the door and discovered a place brimming with endless possibilities. She created dreams of flying, exploring mystical underwater realms, and making friends with enchanting beings. Each dream she crafted became a reality, filling Joliet's heart with immense joy. However, Joliet noticed something peculiar. Some folks in Dreamland were busy constructing grand structures like castles and towers. When she inquired about it, they explained that they were building someone else's dreams. Joliet wondered why they weren't working on their own dreams. One of the builders shared, "I never thought my dreams were important, so I chose to assist others in realizing their grand dreams instead." This revelation saddened Joliet. She understood that everyone's dreams held significance, even those of the builders. Joliet decided to help them discover their dreams and turn them into reality. As Joliet assisted others, Dreamland became even more vibrant and lively. The atmosphere was filled with the happiness derived from everyone's dreams. Joliet showed everyone that crafting their unique dreams was both important and extraordinary. The tale of Dreamland imparts a valuable lesson that each person has the power to make their dreams come true. By sharing our dreams and aiding others in finding theirs, we can create a world where everyone's dreams are filled with joy and magic. So, my dear friend, always remember to dream your dreams and lend a hand in making others' dreams come true too. Hey everyone, welcome back to Joliet English Stories. I'm excited to have you here. If you're new, make sure to subscribe and click the notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos. Let's have some fun together. Now let's get started. A Mother's Love, Joliet's Tale. Once upon a time, in a little town named Meadowville, there lived a happy and lively young lady named Joliet. She spread joy like a cheerful bird, making everyone around her smile. Joliet was known for her kindness and the deep love she shared with her mother Emily. One sunny afternoon, the sweet smell of freshly baked cookies filled their cozy kitchen. Joliet and Emily were having a delightful time baking together. Flour covered the kitchen like soft snow, and they giggled and chatted, creating a happy atmosphere. As Joliet measured ingredients and mixed the batter, she thought about the strong bond she shared with her mother. Gratefully, she turned to Emily and said, "Mom, your love means everything to me. Thank you for being the best mother anyone could ask for." Emily smiled warmly. reaching across the kitchen table to hold Joliet's hand. Sweetheart, having you as my daughter is the greatest blessing. You bring so much joy to my heart, and every moment we spend together is a special memory. While the cookies were baking, Juliet and Emily continued talking, sharing stories from the past and dreams for the future. Emily had been a solid support, offering comfort, guidance, and lots of love through every stage of life. Joliet admired the strength of their connection, a beautiful tapestry woven with shared laughter, tears, and countless moments that defined their unique mother-daughter relationship. As the sun set, casting shades of orange and pink across the sky, Joliet suggested a leisurely stroll through Meadowville. The town, lit by streetlights, held memories at every corner. Passing the park where Joliet learned to ride her bike and the bakery that fueled their love for pastries, they reveled in the beauty of their hometown. Under a sky filled with stars, Joliet shared her feelings again. Mom, I feel so lucky to have you. Your love has been my guide through every twist and turn. Emily's eyes sparkled with pride. And I am blessed to call you my daughter. Our journey, filled with laughter, tears, and shared dreams, is a treasure in my heart. Walking through the quiet streets of Meadowville, the cool night air wrapped around them. Joliet and Emily exchanged stories about their childhoods, creating a narrative that connected generations. The moonlight painted a picture of enduring love, capturing their silhouettes against the backdrop of a town that had seen their lives unfold. Returning home, the scent of freshly baked cookies lingered, a reminder of the warmth that filled their hearts. Sitting in the lamplight, surrounded by the comfort of home, Joliet and Emily talked about the day's adventures. Mom, Joliet began, our connection is like a tapestry, woven with threads of love, laughter, and shared moments. I wouldn't trade it for anything in the world. Emily nodded, her eyes reflecting a lifetime of shared memories. Our tapestry is a masterpiece, my dear. Each thread tells a story, creating a bond that time cannot unravel. I am grateful for every moment, every smile, and every challenge that strengthened our connection. As the night unfolded, mother and daughter continued talking into the late hours. Stories flowed like a gentle stream, carrying the essence of Meadowville, the town that had been the backdrop to their lives. In the quiet hours of the night, they discovered new facets of their shared history, deepening their understanding of the love that bound them together. As dawn painted the sky with soft hues of pink and gold, Joliet and Emily, with hearts full of gratitude, embraced the new day. The sunrise over Meadowville marked not just the beginning of a new morning, but the continuation of a story of enduring love, cherished memories, and the timeless bond between a mother and her daughter.